Beyond its widely recognized qualities, a deeper look into Moringa oil reveals even more profound ways it transforms your skin. It also balances melanin production, ensuring even skin pigmentation for a truly harmonious look. Moringa offers natural exfoliation, gently removing dead skin cells. Did you know Moringa also effectively reduces dark spots thanks to its vitamin C content, promoting a more even and luminous complexion? Furthermore, it boosts collagen production through its vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining skin's youthful. Its antibacterial properties also accelerate the healing of minor skin injuries. Finally, Moringa provides a physical shield against UV rays, offering crucial protection from sun damage. Next, a classic skincare hero, vitamin E. Vitamin E shields against collagen degradation and signs of photoaging like wrinkles and skin thickening. With its vitamin E is a primary free radical scavenger used to protect skin from oxidative stress and UV damage through its. For generations, the purest botanic Yvonne's.
I feel unbalanced, unheard. There's a symphony missing.